Do you know you can earn 5 bonus Binance Alpha points from now until February 3rd? If you're a Binance Alpha volume trader, then this video is for you. If you buy a tokenized stocks using your Binance Web3 keyless wallet with at least $50 in one trade, you will get 5 bonus Binance Alpha points. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to do that. You can participate in this campaign via your mobile app or web. For this example, I'll be using the Binance app. To complete the task via your web browser, use the link in the description. On your Binance app, make sure you're logged in and you're on the Web3 wallet tab. If you're not on the wallet tab, tap wallet to switch to your Web3 keyless wallet. For some users, you will see the stock option here. In my case, what's here is signals and there's no way to search for the stock option. If that's the case, follow the link in the description and it will take you to the web page. Then you have an option to open in your Binance app. If you want to continue your Binance app, tap this button. Otherwise, you can close this and continue the task via your web browser. But I want to use my Binance app, so I tap this. So now you can see we have access to the tokenized stocks. So you can trade any of these stocks. For this example, I'll be using the iShares Silver Trust. So I tap on this. I confirm by checking the box. Tap confirm. So I tap the iShares Silver Trust again. I tap trade. And you can use any of these options to trade swap or pro. I prefer using the swap option, so I tap swap. If you don't have anything in your Web3 keyless wallet, you can use your exchange balance by switching this toggle. So now I can use my exchange balance. So make sure you are buying at least $50 worth of the stock to qualify for the bonus points. I'll be buying with $51. I tap swap. Okay, in case the rate updates, just tap refresh to get the new quotes and tap confirm once you're happy. So once the trade is complete, it will look like this. And here you can see I have some of the stock in my wallet. The next thing to do is to reverse the trades and sell the stock back for my USDT. So to do that, I switch off this toggle to use my exchange balance. And now I have the opportunity to switch. So I tap the switch button and now I can sell all my stock back for USDT. So I select max to sell everything. I tap approve and swap. Once I'm happy, I tap confirm and I follow the prompt. So now my transaction is complete. So tomorrow I'll get my 5 bonus alpha points. So check if you've got your alpha points, go back to your exchange, go to your alpha event. So you'll find your bonus points under tax points the next day. So that's how to get 5 bonus Binance Alpha points. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, ask for help in the comments or in my Telegram group. You'll find the link to the group in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Binance Alpha updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. If you're looking for a strategy to minimize your trading fees and portfolio risk on Binance Alpha, seeing how volatile the market is, I've made a comprehensive guide for you. You'll find the link to the video in the description or in the comments. So check it out. In this video, you will discover how to find the best tokens to trade, the best time to trade them, and how to minimize your portfolio risk and trading fees on Binance Alpha. So that's it for now. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.